Hello guys, welcome back to the session. So guys, today we're going to discuss how to edit the licenses like license key in web method. Okay, so whoever downloaded the free trial download version, the expiry of the particular license already expired on the 15th of 11 2023. Okay, so might be you facing some issue, designer getting disconnected frequently, after that integration server not working properly. So to avoid such a kind of issue, you need to update the license key. So how to update on the same integration server, how to edit the license key in web method. Let's start the demo. Very first, I already downloaded the license key by using the. I have a credential. So how to download the license key? I'm sharing the link in description box. You can just go through the particular video. If you are new, then you can create a new login. Otherwise, if you have already credential, then you can download the license key for Windows and Linux. Okay. So I already downloaded. Let me show you this particular license key. Okay. So go to File Explorer and here I downloaded the license key, and you can see here the expiration date of this particular license 30th of April 2024. Okay, and I want to update. Then first login the integration server. Okay, localhost 5560. This is my integration server. Click on server option, click on licensing details. Here you can see the expiration date of this particular integration server license key. It's a 15th of 11 2023. It already got expired. Now I want to update. Okay, so click on edit licensing details. Here we have a path, C colon something. Okay, so let me show you this particular path. Go to drive, then your instance name, integration server, then instances, default, after that config, and here we have a license key. Okay, again, like my new license key I stored on a drive. I just copy from here, control C, go to config and control V. Okay, here I copied this particular license key on this integration server, like this particular path. Okay, now I required a whole path. So first you can copy this path, control C, open your notepad. Okay, then control V, then slash, go to again file explorer and copy this name. Okay, control C, control V, so that we can keep the whole path of this particular instance. Control C, go to your integration server page and you can paste it here. Save changes. So now you can see here the error invalid file integration server. This 100 key does not exist or invalid. So I'll do one thing. Let me check why it is not working. We have this particular key, right? This is a previous one, and it already got expired on 15th of 11. I'll do one thing. Here you can update the name as a old. Later on you can delete it, no problem. And here you can give the name as a license key. Okay, copy this name from here, license key, control V. Okay, now here license key got updated, new one, 13th of April 2024. Okay, so I required this path. Okay, license key, then go to integration server. Don't edit anything, like keep path as it is, because we already update the name, and then click on save changes. License setting modified successfully. Okay, because I tried on another server and I'm facing this kind of issue. So to avoid invalid license file and invalid license key data purpose, just do one thing. Whatever old license key you have, you can update the name license key old, and this particular name you can give it to the new one. Okay, later on you can delete this license key, no problem. And do one thing. Here you can see this particular license got updated, but we need to uploading the package, reloading the integration server details. We need to restart the integration server. So go to shutdown or restart option, and here you can see select the immediately restart option. Okay, so once it restart, then you can see all the details got updated on the integration server. So that's all about today's demonstration. I hope you enjoy and like this session. So also I'm sharing the link how to download the free trial license key. Uh, like the description link I'm sharing in description box. You can just follow the video, and if you are new, then create a click on new login. And if you already have a credential, then click on the login option and you can log in. Download the license key from Windows and Linux, and you can good to go. Thank you so much. Have a great day. And guys, one request for all of you, if you are new in my channel, so please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you so much. Have a great day.